Y equals X plus 5.
That is incorrect. Nana Brentu, Y equals X cubed. Yes, Martin.
We had 8s minus y minus 13 equal to 0.
That's incorrect. Anyone for a bonus? So, Abor, your answer should have been y equals negative x squared plus 8x minus 1 minus 10, or the negative of the square of the expression x minus 4 plus 6. St. John's, your answer should have been y equals x minus 2. Nana Brentu, y equals the cube of the expression x minus 4 plus 6, or y is equal to the cube of the expression, the cube of the negative of the expression 4 minus x plus 6. Abor, find the depth below the surface of a liquid of density 2.0 times 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cubed, at which gauge pressure is 25 kilopascal.
You have 1.3 meters.
That is correct. St. John, please, find the gauge pressure 1.2 meters below the surface of a liquid of density 1.5 times 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cubed. Yes, Christopher.
18 kilopascals.
Okay, that's correct. Philip. Nana Brentu, find the depth below the surface of a liquid of density 3.2 times 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cubed, at which gauge pressure is 48 kilopascal.
$1.33 meters.
1.33
meters.
Kilometers.
Meters.
1.3 meters.
Yes, madam.
That is incorrect. St. John's Grammar.
1.5 meters.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. The aliphatic compound with the molecular formula C4H8O has a carbonyl group. Give the name of one possible isomer of this compound. Abor.
Yeah. 2-butanol.
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 2-butanol. Yeah. That is incorrect. St. John's, yours.
We have 1 butanone.
1 butanone.
Known.
That's incorrect. Nana Brentu, yours.
1 pentanol.
1
Pentanol.
pentanol.
No.
Pentanone.
1 pentanol.
Pentanol. Yes. No, that's incorrect. So the answers I was expecting are butanol, 2-methyl-butanol, and butan-2-one or 2-butanone. You see how I mentioned them and I stress on the last part. That makes a difference. So please, when you are calling out organic names, please be that conscious, okay? Thank you. Preamble to all schools. Name the edible part of the given fruit. Name the edible part of the given fruit. Abor, groundnut.
The endosperm.
That is incorrect. Anyone for a bonus? St. John's, mango fruit.
The mesoderm.
No, please. Abor for a bonus.
The mesocarp.
Mesocarp is correct. Nana Brentu, jackfruit.
The seed.
No, please. So for granite is the cotyledons, mango we got it correct. Jackfruit is the parent, succulent parent. Preamble to all schools. Evaluate the expression. So all that I'm going to say are in a bracket. So evaluate the expression x squared plus 1 over x squared. So we can read evaluate x squared plus 1 all over x squared. Given that, evaluate x squared plus 1 all over x squared. Given that, abor x plus 1 all over x equals 5. Aram.
17.
17.
Yes, please.
That is incorrect. Yes, St. John's.
23.
That is correct. St. John's. X minus 1 all over x equals -7.
$47.
No, please. Abor.
We have 128.
That's incorrect. Nana Brentu. X plus 1 all over x equals -11. Go ahead, Martin.
145.
That's incorrect. St. John's.
119.
That is correct. That's the end of the first round. At the end of the first round, Brentu Senior High School had no points. Abor Senior High School had 10 points, and St. John's Grammar had 14 points. Brentu Senior High School wants to make an early change, and so Prince Adom Nate is coming in for Christian Adi. So thank you for being with us, Christian. You are welcome, Prince Adom Nate. Prince, what is your name?
I'm Norte Adom Prince.
Norte.
Yes, please.
So you are welcome, Prince.
Thank you, madam.
Please, when you're writing, write well for me to see. Oh, okay. Can we continue? Contestants, it's time for our second round, which is known as the Pepsodent Speed Race. Pepsodent says every smile matters. Let me see your smiles. You are smiling, I'm not seeing your teeth. Okay, so in this round, the questions are coming to all schools at the same time. You may take turns in answering. If you are the first to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, a school answers correctly for 2 points. When they are wrong, a third school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. When you are ready with your answer, ring the bell immediately, because you are being timed, and if you ring after the bell has gone out on you, you won't get the opportunity to answer. So we are about starting the Pepsodent Speed Race, and once you ring your bell and I call you, you have 3 seconds within which to give me or start giving me an answer. So Pepsodent toothpaste, every smile matters. Name the physical quantity whose conventional SI unit is farad. Yes, Abor.
Capacitance.
Capacitance it is. Find the magnitude of the normal force on a 48 Newton object at rest on a rough plane surface inclined at 60 degrees. Yes, St. John's.
24 newtons.
That is correct. Find the power dissipation of a 15 ohm resistor through which a 2 amp. Yes, St. John's.
60 watts.
That is correct. Determine the concentration of lithium sulfate in a solution made by dissolving 55 grams of the salt in enough water to a volume of 200 centimeters cubed. 0.25 mole per decimeter cubed. How many electrons are involved in the conversion of sulfate ion to the sulfide ion? The answer is 8 electrons. How many half-lives will it take for a 192-gram sample to reduce to 0.375 gram? Yes, St. John.
8.
That is incorrect. Yes, Abor.
11 half-lives.
That's incorrect. Did Brentu ring? You didn't ring. Okay, so it was a time going out. So the answer is 9 half-lives. What name is given to the ratio of the amount of water stored in the root zone of plants to the amount of irrigation water delivered to the field? Water storage efficiency. Which part of the nephron is impermeable to? Yes, Abor.
The loop of Henle.
The
loop of Henle.
That is incorrect. Impermeable to water. It is the ascending limb of the loop of Henle. Which of the mouth parts of honeybee is used to mold wax and adhere pollen? Is the labrum. Find the remainder when f of x equals 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x plus 4 is divided by the expression x plus 2. Yes, Abor.
I have 42.
42 is incorrect. St. John's.
6.
That is correct. A linear transformation T such that xy maps onto 4x plus y, 3x plus y, maps the point P xy onto the point B, negative 3, 2. Find the coordinates of P. Abor.
Negative 5, 17.
I give to you. Find x given log base 3 of the expression 2x plus 5 is equal to log base 3 of the expression x minus 2. Yes, Abor.
S is equal to negative 7.
That is incorrect. Plus, yes, Nana Brentu.
I stop.
S is equal to 7.
That is incorrect.
But she stopped.
So plus 1. St. John.
X equals 11.
That is correct. That's the end of the speed race. So before I call out the scores for the second round, which is the Pepsodent speed race. To show that we are fair, I have received a call on the first set of questions for the first round. No one challenged it, but we are going to make the correction because you are learning, we are all learning, and you need to know the right thing. So the first set of questions, the question that went to St. John's, your first chemistry question. You were to identify the element with the highest electron affinity. You said sulfur, and I said wrong. And I gave it to a second school who said nitrogen, but they are wrong. You are right. So you get the 3 points, and they will lose a point. Whichever school it, okay, I think I know which school it was. So at the end of the second round, so these calls I'm giving you have what was added or taken away from the first round. So at the end of the second round, Nana Brentu Senior High School is owing me a point. I will definitely collect. Then Abor Senior High School had 11 points. St. John's Grammar School had 25 points. Contestants, it's time for us to solve our problem of the day. This is a complex question that is given to all 3 schools, and you have to solve on the interactive screens that have been given. You have 4 minutes to solve this complex question, and it is worth a total of 10 points. But at stake, this is good news to you. At stake in this round is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star. The NSMQ star will go to the school that gets 10 out of 10, a perfect score in the problem of the day or for the problem of the day. So the star at this stage is worth 500 cedis to each of the 3 contestants and the teacher. That's the team, right? So you are getting a total of 2,000 Ghana cedis for the team. I wish you the best. The NSMQ star is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. Please stand by your screens. No, don't pick them. Are we ready? Now pick your sheets and let's read the problem of the day together. The label of an antacid drug sample indicates it contains 250 milligrams of calcium carbonate under standard temperature and pressure conditions in the laboratory. A student reacts 1 tablet of mass 0.820 grams with excess 0.50 mole per decimeter cube hydrochloric acid solution, producing 15.68 centimeters cubed of carbon oxide gas in the process. Express the actual active ingredient present as a percentage of the manufacturer's claim. Does this tablet meet regulatory requirements? Explain. You have 4 minutes, starting now. Okay. This problem of the day was from chemistry, and it is one that I actually like. So basically, this is the story behind this. There is an antacid, which is a drug, and the label says that it contains 250 milligrams of calcium carbonate. So a student goes to the lab under standard temperature and pressure and reacts 1 tablet of mass 0.820 grams with excess hydrochloric acid solution of concentration 0.50 mole per decimeter cubed, and this produced 15.68 centimeters cubed of carbon oxide gas in the process. So they are to express, or they were to express, the actual active ingredient present from the experiment that the students ran as a percentage of the manufacturer's claim, what was on the label, whether the manufacturer was lying or not. And so the question is, does this tablet meet regulatory requirements? The label says 250 milligrams. So that is accepted, so that's a regulatory requirement. But from the student's experiment, does the antacid drug meet regulatory requirements? Then you explain your answer. That was all they were to do. So this is the suggested solution. So we can find the moles of carbon dioxide. Okay, so it's carbon dioxide produced from the volume given as the reaction occurs at STP condition. So hence the moles and mass of calcium carbonate that reacted, and consequently the percentage of active ingredient present. So first they write the equation stating the states of the reactants. So 2 HCl equals 2 moles of HCl, then 1 mole of solid CaCO3, resulting in 1 mole of aqueous CaCl2, 1 of liquid H2O, and 1 of gaseous CO2. If you are able to give me the correct equation, you get 1 point. If you were able to put in the states, you get another point. Then you calculate the moles of CO2, which is 0.01568 over 22.4, which is equal to 7.00 times 10 to the power -4 mole. That is 2 points. Then we calculate the mass of CaCO2, which is 7.00 times 10 to the power -4 mole times 100 grams per mole times 1,000, which is equal to 70.0 milligrams. You get 2 points for this. Then the percentage is 7 points. So the percentage, so the student got CaCO2 to be 70.0 milligram instead of the 250 milligram that the manufacturer had put on the label. So the percentage, the question was, they were to find the percentage of the manufacturer's, the active ingredient that has been found out. They were to find its percentage from the manufacturer's claim. So that is the 70.0 milligram over the 250 milligram that was claimed by the manufacturer. And that gives you 28%. So there's actually just 28% of the active ingredient in there. So 28% of what is supposed to be in the drug. Just 28% is present in the drug that was tested by the student. So did it meet regulatory requirements? No, it did not meet regulatory requirements because the amount that the student found was less than what was supposed to be there. It was just 28% of what was supposed to be there. So the reason is that the percentage of the active ingredient is too low. It's too low, way lower than the regulatory requirement, which is 250 milligrams. If you are able to say no, you get 1 point. If you are able to give the reason, you get 1 point. And that gives you a total of 10 points. Unfortunately, all our contestants were able to give the balanced equation. They didn't add the states, so each of them got 1 point. Won't you clap for them? Round 4. Round 4, please change to your school logos or emblems. Good, thank you. So we are entering our 4th round where I give each school a statement. And you tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, you earn 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. For you not to lose points unnecessarily, you can decide not to answer. Then another school will answer correctly for the 2 points when they are correct, or lose a point when they are right, after your time has elapsed. I wish you all the best. I'm starting with Abor Senior High School. When you are ready to pick up another school statement, you ring the bell to alert me after that time has elapsed. Abor, x cubed plus 27, x cubed plus 27 is equal to the expression x minus 3 multiplying the expression x squared plus 3x minus 9.
It's false.
That is correct. St. John's. X, please. X cubed minus 125 is equal to the expression x minus 5 multiplying the expression x squared plus 5x plus 25.
True.
That is correct. Nana Brentu, x cubed plus 64 equals the expression x plus 4 multiplying the expression x squared minus 4x plus 16. Go ahead.
True.
That is correct. A preamble to all schools. A plasmolized cell can be deplasmolized by, a plasmolized cell can be deplasmolized by, Abor, placing it in isotonic solution.
False.
That is correct. St. John's, placing it in saturated solution.
False.
That is correct. Nana Brentu, placing it in pure water or hypotonic solution.
True.
That is incorrect. Decomposition reactions always involve the breaking up of a single reactant into 2 or more products. Abor.
True.
That is correct. St. John's. Decomposition reactions always require an external source of energy to occur.
True.
That is incorrect. Nana Brentu, decomposition reactions may involve both chemical and physical changes.
True.
That is correct. A solid at rest begins to move as soon as its molecules begin to move. Abor.
It's false.
That is correct. St. John's. A solid at rest remains at rest because its molecules are stationary.
False.
That is correct. Nana Brentu. When a solid moves, the average velocity of its molecules is in the same direction as the motion of the solid.
Madam, true.
That is correct. Preamble to all schools. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to organisms in which external fertilization occurs. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to organisms in which external fertilization occur. Abor, echinodermata and mosses.
True.
That is incorrect. St. John's, amphibians and algae.
False.
That is incorrect. Nana Brentu, reptiles and gymnosperms.
Madam, false.
That is correct. Abor, the atomic number of elements increases proportionally with density of elements.
It's true.
That is incorrect. St. John's, the atomic number of elements increases proportionally with the size of atom.
False.
That is correct. Nana Brentu, the atomic number of elements increases proportionally with the discovery of the elements on the periodic table.
Madam, true.
How can this one be true? Abor, if the sum of two integers is even, then both numbers are even.
False.
That is correct. St. John's, if the product of two integers is odd, then both numbers are odd.
False.
That is incorrect. Nana Brentu, if the product of two integers is even, then at least one of the integers is even.
Madam, true.
That is correct. Last set for this round. The rate of change of linear momentum with respect to time equals force. Abor.
True.
That is correct. St. John's, the rate of change of angular momentum with respect to time equals torque.
False.
That is incorrect. Nana Brentu, the rate of change of pressure with respect to time equals energy density.
Madam, false.
That is correct, and that's the end of the fourth round. They have not just paid off their debt, but they have added points. The highest they've had since we started the contest. So, Nana Brentu Senior High School ended the round with 10 points. Abor Senior High School ended with 22 points. And St. John's Grammar ended with 30 points. All the hard work is over. Let's relax. Everybody, stretch. So, we are entering our fifth and final round. Let me tell you a nice story. In this round, you stand the chance of winning what is called the Go Riddle Bonanza. I'm going to give you riddles. Just 4 of them. And each one will come to all of you. When you try and you are not successful, you don't lose anything. You just sit out of competition for that one. If there's any after that, you may join us. But to solve the riddle, I'm going to give you clues. So if you are able to solve on the first clue, you earn 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. From the third to the very last one, 3 points. Now, Goal PLC is saying that if you are able to solve 3 out of the 4 correctly, you earn 800 Ghana cedis. But if you solve all 4 correctly, you earn 1,200 Ghana cedis. So this should be enough motivation for you to solve all the riddles. The Goil Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goil PLC. Goil, good energy. So let's start our 5th round. When you're ready with the answer, press the bell. I'll give you the opportunity when whoever is speaking is done, or you are the first to answer, I'll give you the opportunity. Now, when I call you, give me your answer immediately, because if you don't, my timekeeper will bail you out. Then someone else can answer, okay? I wish you all the best. I'm a collection of physical phenomena. I'm a subset of electromagnetic phenomena. I'm associated with the field of moving charged particles. I'm also associated with particles that have a magnetic moment. I'm the collection of phenomena associated with magnetic fields. Who am I? Nana Brentu.
Madam, magnetic flux.
No, please. St. John's.
Domain theory.
No, please. Abor. I am magnetism. 1 down, 3 to go. I am an integer. I'm a single-digit number. I'm a prime number. I partition the integers. Yes, Abor?
2.
That is correct. 3 points. I am a law in biology. I'm based on 4 basic concepts. Yes, Abor?
Mendel's law of independent assortment.
No, please. I am one of the laws that came into existence by the experiments on pea plants in a variety of different traits. I'm the 2nd law of inheritance. Yes, Nana Brentu.
Madam, the law of independent assortment.
No, please. Yes, St. John's.
Mendel's law of segregation.
Okay, so you get it. I form a significant component of air. I'm less dense than air. My composition may vary significantly from place to place and from day to day. I'm the most abundant green. Yes, St. John.
Nitrogen gas.
No, please. Abor.
Methane. Methane.
Methane. That is incorrect. So all for you, Nana Brentu. Nana Brentu. I am the most abundant greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. I'm mostly formed through evaporation and lost through condensation of water. Who am I? Yes, Nana Brentu.
Madam, helium gas.
Oh. Oh. What is formed through evaporation and lost through condensation of water?
Hydrogen gas.
Oh! Any of you?
Water vapor.
Water vapor. Unfortunately, you were in a rush, so you are not getting this one. That's the end of our contest. Nana Brentu Senior High School ended the contest with 10 points. Let's clap for them. Abor Senior High School ended with 25 points. Unfortunately, Nana Brentu Senior High School and Abor Senior High School, your journeys may have ended in this year's competition. We need to part ways now, but I wish you the best in whatever you do from here. Go out and shine as stars, as bright as stars. And I know very soon in the future, I'll meet you somewhere doing very well, God willing. So all the best to you, better luck to you next time.
Amen. Amen, madam.
Congratulations to you, St. John's Grammar. You won the contest with 33 points. For winning the contest, you have qualified to the 1/8 stage. I wish you the best, the very best as you progress there. Go and shine bright there too, okay? All the best to you. Thank you for being with us in this contest. Congratulations again to St. John's Grammar for winning this contest and qualifying to the 1/8 stage. What is more, if your score will not be the highest for the day, but the school that gets the highest score at the close of the day will win the AT Highest Scorer Award, which is sponsored by AT. AT Life is Simple. The award is worth 1,000 Ghana cedis. So make it a point to join us in our next contest, which I promise will be exciting. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by JoyNews, AT, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Pepsodent Toothpaste, Bettermalt, Ghanaian Academic and Research Network, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Cowbell, Bell Beverages, GTP, Newmont Ghana, Africa World Airlines, and YFM. My name is Mrs. Gladys Odeshinga. I've been your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Thank you and see you soon.